Greetings, my name is Rolando Tremo. I'm here with my partner Emmanuel Alonso to present our project. Blue Audio is a device to transmit any audio stream via Bluetooth.
Sound system require cables to connect to amplifiers and mixers. These cables represent a hazard and require long time setup. Using them over long distance can be challenging.
This is the RN52 Bluetooth module. We use this to make the project possible. Let's start by showing you the prototype board for the RN52. From this, we take what we need to design the PCB. This is the final design schematic. We took what we need to use the module for our desired purpose. This includes ports for audio input and output. We also added ports to program and update the module firmware. One of our objectives was to integrate a charging circuit for this device. With this circuit, we are able to take a 5-volt input to charge the 800 mAh battery. This is the final integrated circuit. And here we can see the final PCB design. This is the final manufactured PCB. Here we can see it with all the components soldered into the PCB.
After connecting the module in DFU mode, we upgrade the master with the firmware 1.00 and the slave with the 1.16. Then we connect it in wired mode to pair them. We use the protocol A2DP to encode the audio.
After some testing, we encounter a delay with the audio transmission. This delay is caused by the analog to digital conversion that the Bluetooth module does to transmit the audio. As you can see, this delay varies depending on the frequency of the sound wave.
We used Siemens NX11 to make the case for the master with the design. In this section, we will put the audio jack of 1/4, and in this section, we will put the battery. Here is where the board is placed. In the case of the slave, this is where the battery is placed, and this is where the board is placed.
Because of the delay in the audio transmission, the device cannot be used as intended. These are some alternative uses. DJs can use this device to transmit their audio via Bluetooth to the sound systems. A device like this can also be used for intercommunications in schools or prisons. Old mixers can be used with this device for audio transmissions in intermissions. One of the most useful uses for this device is as a Bluetooth speaker.